This is Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 8 Review, How to Run an Online Meeting. Hi everyone, can you all hear me clearly? Yes, loud and clear. All good here. Great. Let me share my screen so we can start with today's agenda. Okay, can you see the presentation? Yep, we're good to go. Looks great. Perfect. First, we'll review last week's progress, then we'll move on to the marketing plan. Finally, we'll talk about next steps. I had trouble opening one of the reports yesterday. Could you resend it later? Of course. I'll send it after the meeting. Thanks, Aiko. No problem. Let's move on. Please stop me if there's anything you didn't catch. Okay, in summary, we'll finish the draft this week and we'll meet again next Monday to review. Any questions? No, sounds good. Thanks, everyone. I'll send the meeting notes shortly. Okay.